Hi everyone, welcome to Vedantu JEE English. I'm Diksha, your chemistry master teacher. So everybody do let me know in the chat box if I'm clearly visible and audible to all of you or not. Yes everyone. Actually I'm not well actually today. So that's why I may look like zombie to you, but yes, ma'am, EEE classes as well. So don't worry, I'll take EEE classes as well. Right from day after tomorrow, I'll start taking EEE classes as well. Okay? Yes? Tell me. Achha, how was your JEE mains result? It has been out, right? So, to all the students who were not able to perform well in JEE mains, this is your chance, right, to get admission in a good university, right? That is Vellore University, right? So, that would be my advice to you. Please do PYQs. Don't the kind of enthusiasm that you had in JEE mains, you should definitely have the same kind of enthusiasm in VITEEE, AEEE as well, and other exams as well that you are preparing for. Right? Okay. Yes. Yeah, maths and physics session I literally talked, but I'm so sorry. I was not able to do anything with that. I tried my level best, right? But yes, I was able to, pull one test series for you where 15 tests are given to you. Like 15 tests are same as it is the pattern of your VITEEE. That is, you will have 150 minutes for 125 questions. That means around 70 seconds for each question will be there, right? So that test series, you will have physics, chemistry, math, English, aptitude, everything. And English and aptitude sessions I will take. On Wednesday, I will take English session. And on Thursday, I will take aptitude session. Okay, that I will take. That as I promise you, so that I can take, right? But others I was not able to arrange that, but you can definitely go through. There are so many teachers, right? Even I saw Namrata ma'am is also teaching on her own channel, so you can watch that as well, right? So that would be helpful, right? Okay, yes. Chalo. Let's see. And you can also do one more thing. Last year session also you can go for VITEEE, right? Because except for 2025, other PYQs will be there on this channel. But yes, if I talk about 2025, you can go through the PYQs only, right? Okay? Yes. Chalo. Now let's start with the class without wasting any time, right? I don't have that much energy to stand here for more than 1 hour 30 minutes. I will not be able to do that, right? So I will I want to teach you in detail. That's why I have picked top 30 questions, and these kind of question series will go on, right? Okay, yes. Chalo, let's see. Let's see. 99.67. Very good, very good. Who have got like percentile more than 95 percentile? Awesome, super, very good. I'm super proud of you. And those students who have less percentile, bacha, please focus here. This is your last chance of this year, right? Okay, so please focus here. So if I see physical chemistry, firstly we'll talk about 10 questions I have taken, right? So here you can see the question is PCl5 dissociating 50% at this much, total pressure is P, equilibrium constant is Kp, then which of the following is numerically correct here, right? So here what we will do, right? I don't want to do this, right? So let's do it here. Now what they have given you in the question, tell me what they have given you in the question. They have given you 50% of this is dissociated. Let's say let's say it is initially 1, this is 0, this is 0. So 50% dissociated means it will be 1 minus half, this will be half will be formed, half will be formed. That means half here, and half here. So we know that these are the number of moles, and we also know that number of moles, if you want to calculate the partial pressure, that is equals to mole fraction into total. Okay, and here total pressure is given to be capital P, so that is why we can write it here, that is why we can write it here that partial pressure small p is equals to mole fraction into this. Mole fraction, for mole fraction we need to calculate the number of moles here. What are the number of moles? Number of total moles is half plus half plus half, that will correspond to 1.5, right? And this is given to be 0.5 here. So what you can do here, see this carefully, see this, what you can do here, this is 0.5, this is 0.5, this is 0.5. Total moles is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. And pressure is capital P, capital P, capital P, and this become the partial pressure of each of them. Right, that becomes, after cancelling this, it will become 1 by 3, that is P by 3, this is also P by 3, this is also P by 3. Now to calculate the value of Kp, that is equals to pressure of product, that is P by 3 divided, this is P by 3 multiplied by P by 3, this is also P by 3. P by 3 will cancel, and you will have Kp is equals to P by 3, that is total pressure is equals to 3 into Kp. So answer will be total pressure is equals to 3 into Kp, that is B is the correct answer here. Shri Harin is saying thank you ma'am, sincere to make this happen ma'am, I really say thanks. Thank you ma'am, most welcome Shri Haran. Much love and blessings to you, right? I'm super happy for your results, right? Your results actually makes all the efforts that we put, right, into consideration, and we genuinely feel that whenever we were not well also, we were taking your classes, right? That actually sometimes we used to think that students do they even want to study or not, right? Do they even want to watch the classes or not? But I think when I see these kind of results, I genuinely feel super duper happy, right? And those students who have like not done well, don't worry, we have other exams, right? Don't worry, right? Yes. Okay, now let's see the next question here, that is oxidation number of hydrogen with these metals is what? 2024 question it is. See, with any metal, because metal is electropositive. Metal is electropositive. Always hydrogen is going to have -1. It will always behave as a hydride with more electronegative element. That is why answer will be D, -1, -1, -1. Right, bacha, I will take class of AEEE, don't worry, please focus here by the time, right? Okay, so answer will be D. Which of the following sets of quantum numbers is correct for an electron in 4f orbital? For 4f orbital, n is equals to 4 here, so this is ruled out. L will be equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, S, P, D, F, so it is 3. So L is 3, right? This is also ruled out. Then what is the value of M? M will be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That means this is going to be +4 is not possible here. So this is also ruled out. So answer is A is the correct answer here. I can't see you guys answering in the chat box. Right? Answer. Right? At low pressure, the van der Waals equation is reduced to what? At low pressure. So first you need to understand what is van der Waals equation. So this is your van der Waals equation, right? So I have taken the already done solution only because I didn't have the capacity to write everything here, but I wanted to teach you. I didn't wanted to cancel the class, so that's why this thing. So when this is the if you are leaving gaseous state, please do this equation. Right? High chances are they will ask you questions from here, right? So here it is P plus A by V square. This is V minus B is equals to RT, right? Now they are saying that what is happening here, P into V is PV, This is A by V square into V. That is V will cancel. This is A by V. If you take it here, it will become minus. I'll just solve this here. This is PV. This is plus of A by V. This is plus of PV. No, this one I have multiplied. Then this one to this one. This will be A. This one I have multiplied with V, this one I have multiplied with, then this into P into V. So it will be minus of PB, this is minus of AB, V square. Okay, so when you take PB here, it will become positive. When you take, till now we have not done anything with RT here. Okay, so here this is equals to RT. RT is as it is, PB when you take it here it becomes positive, plus A by V become minus A by V, and minus AB by V square will become plus of AB by V square, right? Now they are saying at low pressure means this thing will be excluded here, right? So it will become, this thing we will take it as 0 because it is at low pressure, so it will become PV is equals to RT, right? This is at low pressure, this also will become this also, B factor is 0 na. At low pressure, basically at low pressure B is equals to 0, so this factor only is becoming 0, this factor is also becoming 0, so you can say this is becoming minus A by V. Now you divide it by RT, divide by RT here, this will become PV by RT, this is RT by RT is 1 minus A by VRT, right? Now this is the equation that you got at low pressure, right? And this PV by RT is nothing but this is equals to Z, right? That is the compressibility factor. So Z is equals to 1 minus A by VRT, right? So you just need to put it here. Wait a minute. This you don't need to do. Okay? You just put it here that Z is becoming equals to 1 minus A by VRT. 1 minus A by VRT is here only and here. Here it is Z is equals to PVM by RT. Here it is PVM by RT. Then what is that? This is A by VMRT. This is A by RT. So this is also wrong. Only correct answer is A is the correct answer here. Right? Okay. Right? Okay. Done. Chalo. I'll ask the team to have a playlist of that. Okay? And I'll ask the team to send you that. Acha. A first order reaction is half completed in 45 minutes. How does it need 99.9% of the reaction to be completed? See, firstly, what you will do here, firstly, directly you will calculate the value of, K is equals to, right? K is equals to, wait a minute, let me just do it for you. K is equals to, I'll just write this is a very simple question. K is equals to 0.693 by T half. Now here answer is in hours. This is given in minutes. So you'll have to convert it into hour. When you want to convert it into hour, this will be divided by 60. And this is going to be your answer in per minute. Okay? Sorry, per minute I am saying. This is going to be your answer in per hour. Now the next thing is that we have T 99.9% is equals to 2.303 by K. K is 0.693. This is into 60. Not into 60. It is into 60 divided by 45. This is log of initial. Whenever in percentage, take this as 100, take this as 99.9. Okay. So that is nothing but it is actually 999. This is 1000. Now you just need to solve it and you will have your answer here. Right? Okay. Or you can just directly learn the relation as well. Okay. Got it? Right? So answer after solving will be 7.5 hours. Next is the value of bond Hall factor for KCl, NaCl in this. See how many ions it is being dissociated to. This will dissociate to K positive and Cl negative. So 2. This will be 2. This will be 2K positive plus this, so it will be total 3. So answer will be 2 to 3, that is B is the correct answer here, right? Okay, I'm so sorry about my energy. I know how difficult it is. I don't know why I keep on, I have never been so ill. The past 1 year, I like I have been so like every other day I have fever. So even now it is funny to say that I have fever because every other day I have. So, 100 milliliter. Now, see, this is a question of ionic equilibrium. They are saying 100 milliliter of this and this. So, that means you have a strong acid plus a strong base. Strong base. So, firstly, calculate the value of Na for acid, NaVa. For acid, it is 0.04 and this is 100. So, it is going to be 4, right? Then NBVB is going to be, it is 100 and 0.02. 0.02 and into 100 it is 2. So as NaVA is greater than NBVB, that means acid is dominating here. So you'll calculate the H positive concentration as NaVA, that is 4 minus 2 divided by total volume. 100 plus 100 is 200. That is 2 by 200, that is coming out to be 0.01. That is H positive. Now pH is equals to minus log of H positive, that is 10 raised to power minus 2. That will become 2. So answer is C is the correct answer here. Right? Okay. Okay. Very good. You're feeling the Rahman ticket. No, 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 na, 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 na. If you want to go to college, firstly focus on counseling, documents. After your seat is booked, then think about that, right? So today enjoy yourself, right? But don't forget about counseling and taking out information. Have a file, write all the things that are important, everything, right? Acha, next is PA, PB are vapor pressure of pure liquid components, right? Ideal solution, if this represent mole fraction of A, total pressure will be what? See, they are asking about Raoult's law, so that is equals to in terms of PA, AABA. AABA is not correct. If it is A, it should be ABBA. Then it should be correct. So this is wrong. This is B, then it should be AAB. This is also not correct. This is A, then this is BBA. This is also not correct. If this is B, this should be AAB. That is absolutely correct. So I told you that this always will be P plus mole fraction of P minus P. If it is A, this will be A, B, B, A. If it is B, it will be B, A, A, B. Right? So answer will be D is the correct answer here. Next question is, at 25 degrees Celsius, 1 atmospheric pressure enthalpy of benzene, and these are given to you. This is acetylene, this is benzene. See, total enthalpy of this reaction they are asking you, which is in enthalpy of combustion is equals to reactant minus product. Reactant is benzene, so it will be benzene. Enthalpy of combustion of benzene minus 3 into enthalpy of, because this is multiplied by 3 now, 3 into enthalpy of combustion of acetylene. Benzene, it is, acetylene is this, benzene it is minus 3268. This is minus of minus, then it will become plus. This is 3 into 1300. And after solving, you will get your answer here. Right? Okay. Awesome, awesome, Shisha. Very good. Chalo. Now, that will be your answer. After calculating, the answer you will get is minus 632 kilojoule per mole. Acha. Then specific conductance for this much, molar conductance of the solution is what? Specific conductance, bacha, this means they are talking about K. Concentration is given to you, so we know that molar conductance is equals to kappa into 1000 by concentration. Kappa is given to be what? Everything is in centimeter only. This is kappa, sorry, this is kappa, and this is C. This is 0.1, this is 1000, and this is 6.3 into 10 raised to power minus 2. After solving, you will get your answer here. This will become minus 3. This all will cancel out each other. Wait a minute. This will be, wait a minute. No. This will be 10 raised to power 2, na? So this also will be 10 here. That is also will cancel out. So it is 630, right? So answer will be C is the correct answer here. Right? Okay? Tell me. Clear? Clear everyone? Tell me. Yeah, beta, I will teach you. I just need 1 day rest. Okay? Today I took the class because I didn't wanted to give you break here. I wanted the flow to be there, but I am just not feeling good here. That's why tomorrow I will not take the class, but day after tomorrow I'll take, right? Okay, let's see. For inorganic chemistry, let's talk about that. This will not take much time now. Which of the following does not form chelate? Chelate means ring formation. Now, EDTA forms, oxalate forms, ethylene diamine forms, pyridine. Pyridine does not form any chelate because only this site is monodentate. So, C is the correct answer, which does not form any chelate. Right? Okay? Acha. Lanthanoid, which has the smallest size in +3 state. See, if I talk about lanthanoids, along the lanthanoids, size decreases, right? So just need to write it according to along the lanthanoids here. So first thing is, size decreases, na, yeah. So first is cerium, then you have TB, then you have ER, then you have LU. So that is why out of this cerium is on the first of all. That is why cerium will have they are asking about smallest size. Acha. Smallest will be for lutetium, right? So answer will be D is the correct answer. Very simple question this is, right? Based on the size. Which of the following arrangements does not represent the correct order of properties stated against? See, if I talk about paramagnetic behavior, this is 4s2, 3d2, this will be 3d6, 10 minus 6 is 4 unpaired electrons. Okay? This is 4s2, 3d5, 2 electrons mean 3d5, 5 unpaired electron. So, manganese has more unpaired electron as compared to this. They are saying, so this is absolutely wrong. If you talk about this one, this will have 4s1, 3d5. That means it will be 3d4. That means 4 unpaired electrons. Here it will be scandium, vanadium, 4s2, 3d2. So it will be 2 unpaired electrons. So definitely chromium 2 positive has more than vanadium. But this is wrong here. So answer A is the incorrect one. You got your answer. Ionic size is definitely correct here, right? Then stability of aqueous solution is also correct. Number of oxidation states is also correct. Manganese has the highest number of oxidation state. So you can see this clearly, A is not the correct answer here. And here everything is being mentioned. Scandium, how many? Titanium has 3, chromium has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and manganese has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxidation states here. So these are the number of oxidation state they represent, right? Element not showing variable oxidation state, fluorine, because fluorine is most electron negative. So it always is -1. It can never become +1. There is no element, right, that has more electronegativity as compared to fluorine. So it will always be -1. So D is the correct answer here. Next question. Using Vesper theory, predict the species which have square pyramidal shape. Square pyramidal, see. This so definitely, this is like CH4 only, it will have tetrahedral. SO3 has this kind of shape, right? Okay. BF3, if you see, right, how we apply it. Bromine has Z will be half, valence electron is 7 plus 5 monovalent, that is 8 plus 4 is 12, that is 6. So sp3d2, right? Now this is bromine. It has 7 valence electron. Out of this, 5 are already used. So that means 2 electrons means 1 lone pair. So there is 1 lone pair because of sp3d2. There is octahedral geometry, right? Out of which 1 lone pair is there. So it is obviously square pyramidal. So answer is D is the correct answer here, right? Okay. Which property of white phosphorus is common to red phosphorus? Now for this P block properties you must know. That was not there in JEE mains, but they are asking you this in VITEEE, right? So it burns when heated in air. That is actually correct because white phosphorus and red phosphorus both burn when they are heated in air, right? So you can see A is the correct answer. Let me teach you other properties here, right? These are the properties of white phosphorus. These are the properties of red phosphorus. It is highly reactive, flammable, goes in dark, insoluble in this, right? So you can just go through this, right? Does not exhibit, that means does not glow, is not soluble in this, it is soluble, right? Is non-toxic, right? Then it is poisonous and can cause fear burn. It is non-toxic. Do not react with caustic soda. It reacts with caustic soda. So these are the differences it has. But both are both burns when heated in air, right? So E is the correct answer. Next is the statement that is not correct for periodic classifications. Let's see. Properties of elements in periodic function of their atomic number, correct. Non-metallic elements are less in number than metallic, wrong. Non-metallic are, wait a minute, non-metallic are less in number because only that side is non-metallic. Here you have D block also that is metallic. For transition elements, 3D are filled with electrons after 3p before 4s. See. First Einstein enthalpy of elements generally increases with increase in atomic number as we go along the period. This is also correct. Their first ionization enthalpy generally increases along the period because size decreases. Okay. Now see this. This means 3 plus SPD, that is 2, that is 5. This is 4 and this is overall 3 plus SPD, right? So here 3 is common and here you have 4, right? So let's talk about N plus L. This is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay? SP01. Out of this has more value of N, that means higher energy. So 3D has maximum energy, then after that you have 4s, then you have 3p. So filling of electron will be firstly 3p, then 4s, then 3d. They are saying for transition, 3d orbitals are filled with electrons after 3p and before 4s. No, after 4s. Okay? So this is all not correct. So C will be the correct answer here. Okay? C will be the incorrect statement here. They are asking you not correct. So C is the incorrect statement here. That is the correct answer. Then polarizability of halide ion increases in the order. See, polarizability depends upon the size of ion. As the size of an ion increases, polarizability increases. So it will increase in this order. So answer will be D is the correct order. As the size increases, polarizability increases here. So answer will be DC. Can you see I am picking latest questions only and they are simple only. Which element gives maximum number of oxides? Manganese. That's why you can score here. That's why no doubt there will be tough questions as well, right? But I am telling you how mixed questions will be there, right? Acha. Now let's see next one. In which of the following pair both ions are colored in aqueous solution? Colored means D0 should not be there, D10 should not be there, right? Scandium, if you see, scandium is 4s2 3d1. That means it will be 3d0. Titanium is 4s2 3d2. It is 3 electrons, it will be 3d1. So both are colored. This is not colored. This is not colored. What about these two? This will have 3d10. 10 means this is also not possible. Now here you have 3d8. 4s2, 2 electrons will be taken out. Here you have titanium 3 positive is 3d1. So definitely answer will be D. Okay? So answer will be D. Understood? Now let's see, in organic also quite direct questions are asked. I would say you should have really good organic and inorganic. That is going to save you because very less time it will take to solve the questions. Aptitude still, but English, inorganic and organic. So this will save your time in the exam so that you can solve other questions, right? Chalo. Intermolecular forces of nylon 6 are. In nylon 6, you have what kind of bond? You can see hydrogen bonds here. In nylon 6, right, between the molecules, you have hydrogen bonding. So answer is B. This is from polymers. Then Hoffman bromamide degradation is shown by what? You will have amide here. That means this is CONH2. So this is CH2, no, CONH2 should be there. That is B is the correct answer here. Right? This is converted to which thing? You have RCONH2. That is converted to RNH2. Right? Acha. Next is the reaction. This is called. So you have CO and AlCl3. That is when you're forming this benzaldehyde. That means it is a Getterman-Koch reaction. So answer is D is the correct. CHO, right? Koch reaction. So this is 2024 question. Okay? For 2025, I'll be taking one. Now in the next sessions, I'll taking only 2025 PYQs. Right? In the upcoming sessions, I have deliberately not taken 2025 questions. Right? So in the upcoming sessions of chemistry, only 2025 I will pick. Right? Product of following reaction. So if you see here, this will get converted to, this is C triple bond N. On reduction, it will be converted to CHNH. And after hydrolysis, this will be converted to double bond O. That is CHO. So that will be converted to benzaldehyde. So answer is B is the correct answer. Right? Achha, next is, which of the following alkyl halide will undergo SN1? SN1 means two-step carbocation formation. So all of them are 3 degree. But we know that Ri has maximum reactivity. Then this is fluorine. Then it is chlorine. Then it is bromine. Why? Because as you go down the group, size increases. As you go down the group, size increases. It is easy to break the bond. So here it will be easiest to break this bond. So answer is D is the correct answer. Okay. Sucrose, which is dextrorotatory in nature, after hydrolysis give glucose and fructose. And they are asking which of the statement is correct here. Glucose is levo, fructose is dextro. No, it is opposite. Glucose is dextro, fructose is levo. And the mixture will be levo because fructose rotation will be more here. So both are dextro is also not correct. So answer is second and third are the correct statements here. Okay? You can see none of you are answering, huh? Tell me. Acha, PCC, mild reducing agent. Mild reducing agent, this is OH connected to that carbon which is further connected to 3 carbon. So this is a 3 degree OH. This is connected to that carbon which is further connected to only 2 carbon. This is 2 degrees. So 2 degree will be converted to ketone. 3 degree will not have any reaction. That means here you will have double bond O and this will be as it is. Okay. Now they are saying the product A will show bromine water. No, there is no unsaturation, not show. Felling test, ketone does not show. Ketone does not show tolerance. But Lucas reagent is shown by 3 degree. Because of 3 degree, it will show, it will form turbidity fast. So it will show Lucas test here. So answer is D is the correct answer. Okay. Acha. Next is for the following given cyclic hemiacetal, the correct pyranose ring is. See, just remember DR. This is down and this is right. So whatever is on the right side, that will be down. So if I mark here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Next to oxygen, you have a carbon. Here it will be CH. This is CH2OH. Okay? CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. CH2OH is always on the upper side because of more molecular mass. So basically this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. Okay? So only on the third side it is on the right side where it should be on the down side. Other should be up. I can see it here only. Only on the third side it is down. Otherwise it is up only. That is correct. Luckily, I saw this only, right? You can see this 1, 2, 3. Here, fourth is also down, which is not correct. Here, 1, 2. Second is down, that is not correct. Here, 1, 2, both are down, that is not correct. Okay? Pentene contains 15 sigma. Pentene means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentene means 1 double bond here. This is C. This is 1, 2, 2 hydrogens. 1 hydrogen, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I know. So how many sigma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. है 14 क्या? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. ठीक है? 14 sigma and 1 pi bond. So answer will be B is the correct answer. Right? Okay. Beta, high weightage topics I have told you in the previous video as well. You can watch that. Right? Achha, major products of the following reaction. See here what will happen. This is benzene. This is C double bond O. This will be converted to NH to NH2. Whenever acid is heated with ammonia, it is converted to amide. Then take NH2 and 1 hydrogen here, connect them and this becomes amide, phthalimide. Okay? So this thing will be formed here. Answer will be B is the correct answer here. See, quite simple questions they ask you here. Let me see how many questions we are. Last question it is. Which of the following reactions can produce aniline as a major product? So, nitrobenzene you have with zinc KOH, NH4 and LiLH4 and zinc HCl. See, if I talk about D here, various products are formed when you have C6H5, that is nitrobenzene, right? If you have acidic medium, that means metal and HCl, it will form aniline. If you have a neutral medium, that is with zinc with NH4Cl, then it will form NaOH. With alkaline medium, it will form hydroazobenzene. Okay? And here, this is acidic, this is neutral, this is basic. So, acidic medium actually forms aniline. So, answer will be D is the correct answer here. This was a different question asked in 2021, right? Okay? Tell me. See, in 40 minutes, I was able to do this. बेटा it's done. ठीक है, because my health was also not fine, even I am right now I'm feeling not at all good. ठीक है. So that's it for today. Now, do let me know in the comment section. I'll bring two lectures for you. One is for English on Wednesday and aptitude on Thursday. And Friday, Saturday, we will do chemistry 2025 questions. Okay, chemistry 2025 paper only I'll pick up. Okay? Okay? Yes. Yeah, on Wednesday and Thursday I will take English and aptitude. Okay, the session will be live by tomorrow, right? Yes. Chalo. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay? Chal. Okay then guys, now I'll see you all in the Wednesday and Thursday session, and those who have not watched other videos here, guys, if you see this over here, right here you will see organic chemistry PYQs I have taken, physical I have taken, right? And inorganic also I have taken. Wait a minute. Inorganic also I have taken. Right, so go through these videos, and here let me see if it is still open. It is not getting open only. The result you can see it from here. I have also taken a live session on that. You can watch that. Okay. Chalo. Okay then, bacha. Bye bye. Take care. See you all. Bye bye. Thank you.